What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It is Chanel here, and I am doing my very first vlog today, y'all. I can't believe it's my first time vlogging, but I'm creating some content today for you guys, creating some YouTube videos. They will be out before I put this vlog out, so go ahead and check them out, y'all. I lost over 20 pounds in a month, and I'm gonna tell y'all how. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and film, and after I do that, I'm gonna clean up my place while I have a babysitter for my daughter, and then yeah, I got a lot of stuff to do before she gets here, so let's get to it. I hate how this light is. Oh my god, y'all. Somebody please put in the comments how I can fix this light that's going on. It's so ugly. Okay, so I'm about to give y'all a little tour of my downstairs. Like I told y'all before, I made a full empty apartment tour, but I did it on my phone, unfortunately, and it died, and it just never turned back on, so I lost all of that footage. But I would say my apartment is 20%, well, I would say my townhouse is 20% furnished, but it's nowhere near done, nowhere near how I would like it to be. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I have so far. So here is the door. I will say one thing about this door I don't like is this window, because if someone is coming over and I don't want them to see me, that I'm here or anything, there's no way that I could. I don't like the fact that there's no peephole, because they can just look in, and you know, it's just, I don't know, I don't like it. I can't be discreet, so I'm gonna have to find some kind of privacy screen to put here. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments, because that gotta get covered ASAP. So to the left of the door, when you come in, is this cute little area that I would like to put something here for like my shoes, my purse, my shades, and just things like that. My keys, I just want to decorate it really cute because it's the perfect space to put something here. Next to it is just a little storage closet. It's a little junky, but I'll show you guys a little bit of it. And I'll just put my coats and just shoes and other little miscellaneous items here, like my daughter's stroller. And then to the right, it's just this little area. I will say one thing I like about this townhouse is plenty of room to decorate and things like that, and I love that. I would like to put some kind of runner here, some kind of rug here, because this space is just so long, so I just want it to not just look so empty, I guess. But yeah, let's come along. Here is just a bathroom, just a half bath. I don't know why. This is just a half bath. Nothing to see here. It's not decorated yet. Yeah. And this is just another utility closet. It's actually pretty big, but it's kind of junky right now, so I'm not gonna go in there. Here is the garage. Just a little one-car garage. And when you walk in here, this is my living space. I got this couch from Big Lots. It's so big, it's so nice, it's so comfy. And I got these pillows from Marshalls. My best friend went into Marshalls and she grabbed these pillows that throw, and this little, I don't know what you call that, but that too. I just have my TV up on the wall. My vision for this is to add more pillows, to get like a little, put some pampas over here. I love the pampas look, and maybe like some mirrors or some kind of cute decor to go on the wall here. But yes, this is the living space. That's the kitchen. We'll get into that. And then we have this little empty wall too. Like I told y'all, it's just so much space in here to just add little pieces that'll look well together. That is the stairs. So here is like my dining area. I don't know what I actually want to put here. I don't know if I want a table. I don't know if I want to put like a desk here. I really don't know. but this is for right now. I have some bar stools, 2 little bar stools, and then my daughter's toys and her high chair. So it's actually a really nice space to put something here. But here's the kitchen. I really fell in love with this kitchen because of the white cabinets. I just think it looks so nice and chic. I just have these 2 little bar stools here. Yeah, let me put y'all on this candle. So this candle is from Walmart. Y'all, this candle is from Walmart, and it literally it's like a Bath and Body Works candle. I think I got too many lights. Okay. Yeah, I had to change the lighting up a little bit because it was looking funky. But this candle is from Walmart, and it's like really gives Bath and Body Works, y'all. It smells so good. Y'all gotta try this new line from Walmart. But here just goes. I love all the appliances, stainless steel. This dishwasher, when you turn it on, you literally can't hear anything. You don't even know that it's on. Only thing I don't like is I don't like the sink. My last apartment had a sink like this, and I don't like it at all because when you wash dishes, you have to use the whole sink. You can't just use one side. I don't really like that. This little goals thing, this goals little sign, it's not even supposed to go here. It's gonna go in my office. I just have it here for now, but this came from Marshall's too. And I just really have basic things, like I have my Keurig, my Ninja. I like this because it's a gas stove. My last apartment did not have a gas stove, but my mother's house has a gas stove, and I love it. So it does come with gas, and this is just my little nice set that I got from Amazon. I know y'all probably have seen it everywhere, but these were brand new. So everything, all the appliances were brand new, everything brand new. And this is just the pantry. This is one thing I don't like about this place either, is the pantry is extremely small, but I make do. But I do love how there is just so much storage space in the kitchen. Like you're not gonna run out of storage at all. So, and then this is just, I'm not gonna go out here because it's kind of muggy, it's rainy, but this is like my patio, or I don't really know what you call it, but yeah, that's my outside. That's my daughter's little trampoline out there. I really love it here. It's nice and cozy. So I can't wait to decorate for y'all, and y'all can see how I transition from this to the finished product. But yeah, that is going to be it for now, and I will see you guys on the next video or the next parts. But I've only been here a month, so I'm proud of what I have so far. So within the couple of months, coming months, it's really gonna be put together. Yeah, so I didn't think I would like this trend, the little fluffy baby hairs. I tried it today, and I actually really like it. I'm gonna fill you guys in a little bit. I went and had my consultation for my breast reduction, y'all. I'm in a triple D, and I told him I wanted to be at least a C, and he said he would try to get me into a C. Y'all, I hate having these big old boobs. I really wish they could take all this fat and put it in my butt, but that's neither here nor there. But yeah, so I'm excited. Hopefully it'll get approved soon, and I'll have it before the year is up. That'll be my birthday gift to me. Okay, y'all, so I went back in Marshall's yesterday. Didn't say hi. Hi. Okay, so my countertops were like extremely empty, so I decided to get this. Now you want to say hey? Mommy gotta hold it. Can mommy hold it? Yeah. Yeah. So I decided to get this vase that I've been eyeing, and then I got this little bowl. It's really cute. I love it. I'm gonna order some pampas to put in this vase, and I think I'm gonna order it from Etsy. I'm not sure, but I feel like it's gonna make it look really, really nice because I feel like I needed something big for this little island right here. So I got that. What's up, you guys? I know this vlog is gonna be like a month long. Not kidding. I don't think I showed y'all my new fall decoration. So I'm here to show them to you guys. I got some stuff from Walmart and it's so adorable. Okay, so if you remember, my centerpiece was like super, super ugly. And now I love it. Alright, so I got all of these decorations from Walmart. All these decorations came from Walmart. The candle is actually from Bath and Body Works. So cute and it smells so good. And y'all, it's so cute. I wanted to get something for Halloween, but I was like, you know, I'm just gonna get something more fall so I can keep this until November, until it's time to decorate for Christmas. And I just have a few more little things just sitting up here. I don't know. I'll probably take that down. That's not real cute. But I'm about to cook real quick and I'm about to show y'all what I'm about to make. I hate how this light is. Oh my god, y'all. Somebody please put in the comments how I can fix this light that's going on. It's so ugly. Maybe it's not showing up. I'm just kind of seeing it on camera. But my daughter is on the way home. So Denim is on the way home. We've been having trouble with her eating lately, y'all. Like, she just does not want to eat, and it's so, I don't know. She used to like eat all the time. Like, anything you would give her, she would eat. Now she is extremely picky. She just eats what she wants to eat at that moment, and it's just like been so hard. I've been trying to cook more, so I just don't know what to do, but I've been trying every day. I try to I really don't need y'all to judge me because I'm being really, really lazy today. And I'm going to use some chicken that's already cooked. I'm just going to put it in the air fryer and let it cook for about 10-15 minutes. Cut it up and put it in the pasta. I'm going to be using these, what are these? Panini Regate. Panini, I don't know. I'm going to boil these for like 10-15 minutes. So it'll all be done around the same time. 10-15 minutes. And then the sauce. This Alfredo sauce is really, really good. I want to make some homemade Alfredo soon, but it's just a quick meal that I like to cook. And I like it, and I know Denim likes it, and hopefully she'll eat it. So when I get done, I'll come back and show y'all. Oh yeah, I got Denim some clothes yesterday while I was at Marshall's. So I'm gonna let her look at them. Come on, boo. Come on. You wanna see what you got? Oh well, I got these little things for the oven, and I thought it was cute for fall too. But look what mommy got you. Look. You like? Look, Dan, you like it? You see where she goes to? This is why at this point I don't even want to buy her no more toys because it's pointless. Look, ooh, look, she might like something. You like it? Say, ooh, look, Dan. Look at the pajamas. Ooh. Yeah, this is what I'm showing her. They have some cute little fall stuff in. Wait, Dan. What about this one? Look. Oh, pretty. Look. Say beautiful. Dan.